It takes about 3 hours, slow pace, to complete the tour with a toddler. There are various of animal species to see. Great animal shows. The ticket price is definitely worth it. It is easy to book with KK and just proceed to the check-in zone to redeem the QR ticket. You may skip the counter ticket. Worth ordering at KK. Cheap price with voucher. Interesting place and all kinds for children to see animals. Satisfied overall and easy. Food serving speed need to improve. The food serving speed has to improve. Voucher is easy to redeem at the counter, just show them the QR code will do. Me and my family had an enjoyable day at Safari Wonderland. My kids had a great time there and seen many animals as what he had seen from books. First of all, the voucher is easy to redeem at the counter, just show them the QR code will do. Me and my family had an enjoyable day at Safari Wonderland. My kids had a great time there and seen many animals as what he had seen from books. There are many performances to watch inside. The time is well arranged. It is worth going. The food tastes ordinary. We were supposed to arrive early in the morning, but it was raining the whole time. The staff suggested waiting until the rain stopped or changing to another day, because all the performances would not be held due to the rain. Fortunately, the rain stopped at 11 a.m. Each performance has 2 sessions, one is the morning session and the other is the afternoon session. So basically we watched the afternoon session and saw every performance. There is a safari truck here that takes you 30 minutes to see wild animals and see them up close. In addition, there are many animal performances here. The time is basically well arranged. Overall, it is not bad. The environment inside is quite clean, not very smelly. I like the safari truck. It takes 30 minutes to take you to see wild animals. You can see the animals up close. The food inside tastes ordinary. Overall it and number 39, good. The journey was fun, and the child also tried activities that she was afraid to do at first. Lots of attractive shows, need to be punctual in order to enjoy all of them on time. So good, but for safety, not satisfying, cause I've got some injured on my foot. Tickets and scheduled lunch costs are cheaper than buying on site and recommended. It and number 39, cheap, fun, and you can experience some rides with a little money. You can also play with your own clothes without wearing a swimsuit.